Hello everyone, today is June 1st, a new trading month. What we're looking at is the E-mini S&P or the micro E-mini. It could be the Dow Jones or the NASDAQ. Really, we're looking at the equities, financials, and the futures markets. My name is John Paul, and what I want to do today, a quick video on what's happening currently in the market as the day begins and where will it lead us. A few things before we start. Remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Understand there are risks involved with trading. You can make a lot of money. You can also lose money. So remember there are risks involved with trading. So with the E-mini S&P, this is a great market to trade. Lots of volatility, lots of action. We have to be careful, obviously, when it comes to this as well, because the more volatility, the more risk. When the market's too slow, we can't do anything with it. So right in this little sweet spot here of about 3 to 4 points, this is really good for the market movement. We also have a new member account which everybody can get for free. You can learn the ABC method. You can download the software. You can get this news indicator that you see here by accessing the free member account portion of DayTradeToWin.com. Just visit DayTradeToWin.com. You can sign up for a free member account. Now, when I look at this market, I say to myself, should I buy? Should I sell? What am I going to use? So one of the methods that I like to use is the Trade Scalper. Very popular. A lot of traders are using the Trade Scalper to take advantage of it. If you don't have the Trade Scalper already, you can access the original software at DayTradeToWin.com. And right now, every single opportunity is a sell. And that's good because now we see that there's not a lot of flip-flop. There's not a lot of whipsaw. Everything is indicating sell, sell, sell. So if I was going to take these trades, I'm looking to sell the market. The first signal here, not really the first signal, but about 10:30, 41.21 quarter. Another signal here at 10:35, 41.05, and so on and so on. You see there are some great opportunities here to sell the market. But that being said, you may want to add another method as a filter to make sure that everything is on the short side. So if I look at adding another method, let's add the Atlas line. What does that look like in comparison to all of the other methods that we have here on the chart? So I'm going to add the Atlas line. I have the Trade Scalper, I have the news, and I have the ATR, which dictates the volatility. And so now we have the Atlas line with a short signal here early on, and then all of these P's and these S's that you're seeing, these are all opportunities for selling the market on a pullback and a strength trade. What that means to me is that if everything is indicating sell right at the same time, take for example these signals right here, they're all telling me short. Take for example this one followed by this one here. When we have multiple methods all in the same direction, it's a good indication that we do want to buy or sell in that direction. Now we have a long signal. This is a great opportunity to show you how you may want to filter out this trade. This is a long signal on the Trade Scalper. But since we have so many signals to go short and prices trading below the Atlas line, let's focus on the next short signal. Let's filter out any long opportunities until really things change. If you start seeing a lot of long signals and the market starts to reverse, great. Even using the ABC method, which you can download for free and get the free software, you can absolutely look at buying the market. But it has to be done right. So if you're new to trading, please be careful. Don't just jump in because it's very easy to lose money. If you are a more advanced or intermediate trader, definitely start looking at trading price action using price action software. Avoid using the moving averages, the bands, the momentum, the MACD, because really those methods or those types of indicators are subjective. I want to try to be as objective as possible. Why am I doing what I'm doing? Well, there's rules to the methods. I'm going short. They're not based off of any moving average or any indicator. It's based off of price action. Now, if you have any questions, you can visit DayTradeToWin.com, get a free member account, download the software for free. If you have questions or need help, give us a call. We're here to help you. My name is John Paul, and I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.